Welcome back to Fun with Fords. I am Eric, and today we will be replacing our factory 8-inch subwoofer that has blown out with a aftermarket speaker. This is a Kicker brand model CWRT8, which is an 8-inch speaker. It's supposed to be a shallow mount, which I believe there's not much space in here, so I think that's what's needed is the special shallow mount design. So we're gonna get this speaker out of here. Takes a Torx bit or one of the star bits, and we'll get this out of here. And if anybody's interested to know, I finally got my Class A CDL. So I can drive anything as long as it's an automatic. I went to a CDL school here in California, and I selected the automatic truck because I just didn't want to mess around with shifting gears and clutches and everything like that. I can drive a standard shift vehicle just fine, but I just didn't want to mess with it. Okay, let's see what I can get this out of here. What's holding it in? Oh, there we go. Just needed a little bit of helping hand, I suppose. Yep, that is a pretty shallow mount. Wow. Okay. What is this? Well, I don't know what that one is. No, this is the power to it. I wonder what that one is. I think I'll have to look that up. Well, let's see if this will fit in here. Yep. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's much shallower. That's good. That's a good thing, I suppose. I wonder. Because I see dual connections on this as well. I see dual connections over here as well. Dual voice coil. I don't know a whole heck of a lot about speakers. I'm guessing that this must be the same. Well, we'll try it. Let's see if it works. I have to figure out a way to be able to connect these. I hate to cut these off. see if I can get this wire to come out of here if I can. Yeah, we'll mess with that. Alright, I will mess with this and I'll be back. Okay, so we got the clips off. What I had to do was bend a staple and put it into in here, and it pushes down on a little notch in there, and then it will free out the wires from the factory little clip thing here. So what I did not want to do was cut the factory wires. I don't want to ever do that if I absolutely can prevent it, and that's why this took a while to get these out. It took better than probably 20 for me to figure out how the little clips were in there, and so I could get them off without breaking them. It took me about 20 minutes to get both of them off. If I knew how they come off in the first place, it probably would have taken less time, but that's okay. Everything's intact. So now we're going to mount the speaker, which will sit up here like so, but it doesn't sit just perfect. That's because this little notch. So that's got to come off. So I'm going to get a sharp razor blade or something. See if I can cut this down. And then I should be able to screw it in place. I won't be able to use the factory screw points because they don't line up. They don't line up at all. But that's okay. It'll fit, and that's what's more important, is that it's gonna fit. Okay, let me get this taken off, and then I'll come back and I'm gonna mark some holes. And I'll drill some new holes in order to. I'm going to use the existing screws. I'd like to be able to use the factory cover, but unfortunately it won't fit. So I'm going to try and find a cover for this. I didn't order one. I thought it was going to come with one, but it didn't. I don't think it did. I don't think it did. No, there's nothing in here. No. So I'm gonna have to order a cover for this. Maybe Kicker makes one that'll go over here. But all right, let me get to that and get to marking these holes, and I'll see about routing this in here, back in here, because this speaker key wires go in here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, wires are back in. Yeah, what did I see? Wait. Okay. Okay, we're going to put, power. Come on, there we go. And then let's see, power. Come on. Power and ground. There we go. There we go. And it fit. All right, so let's get. We're gonna have to use in there. All right, let's see how this is supposed to work. Now this is supposed to come with these pieces to, I guess, sticky things to go across here to hide the screws. But so I'm guessing that this isn't designed to have a cover. I mean, it looks pretty sturdy to me. Let's see. Let's see how it sounds. All right. I think it works. All right. I'm guessing it doesn't have a cover. So let me know what you think. Have a great day.